how to install and set Gboard as default keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe up to go into apps screen. And in here, open up Play Store. Now tap on the search button at the bottom. In the text search box, type in Gboard and tap on the search button. At the top here, tap on install. Once it has finished, tap on open. Then tap on enable in settings. So we turn on Gboard, then tap on OK. Now we go back, select input method, and then we choose Gboard as the default input method, and then tap on done. And from the Gboard settings, you can choose your preferred language. You can set keyboard preferences, and you can change the keyboard theme. And that's it. Now if you bring up the keyboard, it will now use Google or Gboard instead of Samsung keyboard. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now if later on you need to go back and change the Gboard settings, you can go into settings and then scroll down and tap on general management. From here you can go into Gboard settings to make changes. And you can also tap on keyboard here and tap on default keyboard to switch between Gboard or Samsung keyboard. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.